Hey everyone, in this video, we're going to talk about how you can create portals in Path of Exile 2 at any time. In order to do so, we're starting off in the main area of the game in Act 1, Clearfell Encampment. And if we just go to Clearfell, then you're going to see here this portal. So this is the first area of the game. And if you just go over here, you'll see that here is Clearfell. And you can just go out the door. And from here, at any time, you can create a portal. And in order to do that, you come down here to the bottom right hand corner and you click this button to create a portal to town. Once you click the button, then you're going to see that any you have placed will disappear and you can now return to Clearfell. And this is the basic loop of Path of Exile 2, is to go out, complete missions, come back, sell gear, upgrade gear, put gear in your stash, and that is the basic loop of Path of Exile 2. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.